Hi guys, long time no see. Today I will show you how to make your desktop wallpaper look more exciting like this. Yes, animated wallpaper. We won't be using Lively wallpaper as many sites and videos suggested to use because it doesn't work on me. We will be using Live Wallpaper 3. The functionalities are pretty much comparable to Lively Wallpaper program for our usage. Though it might have fewer custom configurations, it has a simple interface. I gotta admit that I kinda want to use Lively Wallpaper more than Live Wallpaper 3, but whatever. That program is for advanced users. Today we will be just adding GIFs or videos to wallpaper, not 3D projections or doing parallax wallpaper. Okay, enough talking, let's start. First, we will be installing the program through Microsoft Store. So you open it up and search the program Live Wallpaper 3 here. Well, saying that, but I will still put the link to the program in Microsoft Store in the description anyway, so you can go through that link too. After finishing the installation, open the program. At first, you will see it's still empty on your home page. If you already have a folder for wallpaper, you can go to the settings, wallpaper, choose that folder, and then you may go check back on your home page. Oh, it's called local. See, you will find all of your wallpapers here now. And you can also add more folder of the wallpapers if you want. You click add directory and then select a folder for the wallpapers. For example, I select my screenshots folder, which contains a lot of images, so when you go back to the local page, it will take you quite a while to load all of those images here, as you see. But my screenshot folder is filled up with random images, so I don't want to set it as wallpapers, of course, so I'm gonna remove that directory. Okay, that is much better. If you want more wallpaper, you can either add the wallpaper to the folder or click this icon, Create Wallpaper. This window will pop up. It will ask you to name the wallpaper and select the type of wallpaper. And you should select the type that corresponds to the media type you want it to be the wallpaper in general. Well, if you don't want to think too much, just go with auto detect, it will do the job for you. After that, import the media file here. It will take a while to upload the media file. And oh, it seems that you don't have to name the wallpaper beforehand because it will just set as the media file name. Then you can see it shows the preview of that media file too. If everything is good for you, then click save. The new wallpaper will show up. Click on it when you want to use it. Wait, why is there no sound playing? Oh, it's mute. Okay, and that is all for the basic setup. Now I want you to take some more notes about some interesting functionalities. As you see right now, the video type wallpaper can not only play an animated image, but also the audio in the video will be included too. It's like you play the video but on your desktop wallpaper, because you can adjust the position of the video however you like. You can pause it, stop it. Oh, and you can also adjust the volume. Not only that, you can also bundle up multiple wallpapers into a playlist which I would say don't do it with animated images like GIFs, because the GIF image usually plays for a short period of time, since the wallpaper play time is according to the video length or animation length, so the GIF wallpaper will change too fast. Here, as you can see, when the wallpaper play time is end, it will play the next one, which is the normal behavior of a playlist. You can also choose to skip a wallpaper by clicking on the forward button, or revert back to the previous one by clicking on the backward button on the other side. Another thing that makes this program a bit special is the hub. Here, you can browse wallpapers that people post online and pick your favorite one, then download it to set that as your wallpaper, though the language is in Chinese, unfortunately. But that's why I'm here, to tell you how to do it exactly. This tab, I believe, it is like the genre. This means all genres. The genres that are presented here are, for example, landscapes, animals, pictures of real people, etc. This text box is a search bar, I think. You can search for the wallpaper with keywords. I don't know what to search. Maybe I will go randomly with anime. And here you will see the results. There are a lot. I think I will pick this one. After you find the one you want, click on it to see more details. If it's a video, you can preview it too. Here. To download it, scroll down to the bottom and click the Y button. It will begin the download. But if you want to cancel it, you can click this red button. But no, I will continue the download. After it finishes downloading, you may click on this. It will direct you to the local page, and then use the wallpaper by clicking on it. And that is pretty much everything. I hope this video is helpful for you guys who can use lively wallpaper like me. This one is a great alternative, don't you think? Anyway, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video. Peace. Wait, sorry, I'm not done yet. I have made some important settings. Well, by default, Launch as Startup is turned on, so that you don't have to open the program manually to see the wallpaper. And for the other one, if you set music videos as your wallpaper and you want to listen to the music from the wallpaper while using your PC, change this to continue playback, so the video won't pause while you are, let's say, surfing the internet. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna go. See ya.